Hey, what's up? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. Hope all is well. So today we're going to take a look at the amFilm 3-pack compatible with the Motorola Moto G Stylus 2024 5G. It's going to be the tempered glass, and it's also going to say HD clear, anti-scratch, bubble free. So right here you can see once it's out of the package. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at it right here. I don't have my knife next to me. Hold on one second. So the crazy thing is this screen protector is only $6.99. Right now it's marked off from $7.99. So it's at a pretty good price you can get it at right now. And then what it is going to offer is the ability to actually protect your screen from drops, but still give it that caseless feel. So let's go ahead and let's see right here. I'm trying to see which way they want me to open it from. Alright, so you're getting a lot of stuff in here. This is everything that comes inside the box. Alright, so the first thing you get is your installation guide. You're going to get 3 different screen protectors right here. So you get 3 different ones that you have. So you have a couple of backups. Then you have your screen protector installation accessories from amFilm. Alright, so inside this pack we are getting a cleaning cloth. We're getting a product registration. So this is actually a pretty nice cleaning cloth. You get the the dust removal. You also do get 3 different wipes, so you can have those for cleaning the screen when you set up the installation. So let's go ahead, use one of these. And one thing I noticed is that when I dropped my phone while it was in my carrying pouch, I did kind of nick the bottom of the screen, and it did sort of scratch, but it didn't crack all the way. But there is like a little mark right there, so I just got to be extra careful when I'm using it. And then the screen, you want to wipe down with that cleaning cloth, and this cleaning cloth is actually really nice. It takes out most of the dirt, so I can't really see anything on there now. So they cleaned away mostly everything. So I think that's pretty much all I would need. I don't even think I would need the wet wipes yet at all. But there is a few particles left over, and now I'm going to go ahead and get those out. Okay, so now that's done. I'm gonna grab the tempered glass right now, and you just simply follow the instructions. So it says, please peel off this mask before application. So you gotta go ahead and peel this piece off. I think I saw a piece of dust on here. There we go. Alright, so now you basically put this right onto the camera pump, like the camera cutout. You can see it right here. I think it's upside down. Yeah, this is perfect. So now it's a little bit, it's actually centered right now. So there we go. And now you can see it absorbing into the display. and it goes all the way down until there's like no bubbles left. You're gonna see that bubble disappear, and all you have to do is like wipe it out on the top and bottom, but everything is pretty much disappeared, and you could just go ahead and remove that with a couple of swipes. And there you go, that bubbles out, and now you can basically protect your screen from, you know, drops, scratches and stuff like that. And you know, I'm still able to use the fingerprint sensor right now as well, you can see. So that's actually working perfect, no issues whatsoever with that. So it's going to help when your screen's on a surface. It's going to just scratch the tempered glass versus your display, and you can see the corners as far as the glass is concerned. It's like there's still some space right there on the corners, so it's not like covering the edges. So if you drop it on the edge, that might break. So it's not covering the edges. So I just want to mention that. Even on the bottom right there, you could still see a few more bubbles, but that's pretty much it. And then yeah, it's just for extra protection, just from mainly scratches on the display. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this. I'm gonna leave a link down below so you could pick it up and use it and maybe check it out, try it out and see if you like it. So far I'm gonna try to test out the S Pen or the Stylus pen. I just want to make sure that that's actually working. So I want to still draw on the screen and take notes. So with this, I still want to be able to use that. So let's test this out. It did miss a spot right there. There we go. But it still feels smooth on the display. So I could definitely say that this tempered glass is going to be pretty good when it comes to the Moto G Stylus. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. But if you're still here, just type down below I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help boost the engagement. I'll hit you back. I'll check you guys later. Later, crew. Peace.